In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark in Chrome. Bookmarks are a simple way to save the pages you love so you can come back to them with a single click. Whether it's an article you want to read later, a tool you use every day, or a page you don't want to lose, this quick process will help you stay organized and save time. Start by opening Chrome and navigating to the exact web page you want to keep. Make sure the page you're on is the final version you'll want to return to. If you're following a link trail, wait until you reach the specific article or section. Let the page finish loading so the title and address are set correctly, since those details help when you save it. Once you're on the page, look to the far right side of the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a small star icon. Click that star. This tells Chrome you want to save the page. When you click it, a small dialog box appears to confirm and customize your bookmark. In the dialog, you'll see the name Chrome suggests for your bookmark. You can keep it as is or edit it to something more useful. Short descriptive names work best. Think of the keywords you'd search for later. For example, include the site's name and the main topic so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Below the name, you'll see a folder section with a drop-down. This is where you choose where the bookmark will live. If you place it in the Bookmarks bar, it may show along the row beneath the address bar for quick access, depending on your settings. If you choose other bookmarks, it will be saved but kept out of sight until you open your Bookmarks menu. Pick the location that fits how you like to work. Grouping similar pages together now makes them much easier to find later. When you're happy with the name and the folder, click Done. The star will typically appear filled, signaling the page has been saved. That's it. Your bookmark is now stored and ready whenever you need it. The next time you want to return to that page, just open your Bookmarks and select it. Keeping names concise and placing items in the right folder as you go will keep your list clean and manageable over time. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to bookmark in Chrome quickly and confidently, so you can stay focused on what matters and find your favorite pages without hunting around.